Hi, today I'll make a wedged glue shoe and I'll show you how it's done easy and end up with a shoe like this. It's really light and it's really good for the horse. So in step 1 I'll remove the toe cuff and I'll grind the ground side. Now I have removed the rubber, so I'm at the aluminum, so I can easily make the wedge, so I have something solid to glue on. I grind it in a little breakover and I remove the toe cuff. And now the shoe is ready for the next step. So what I do now is I take a big portion of glue and I mix it with sand. And the sand gets the density of the glue really high, so it won't wear down. Just put a little sand in there and mix it up.